desperately need a milking stool. stool to be using next to a broken pallet as I'm milking. But it made me smile so much to think about intersecting my fine woodworking skills and my farming endeavors, because it wasn't that long ago that I was buying my first tool and planting my first seed in my garden. And it's so empowering to remember how few things I knew how to do back then, and all of the skills and knowledge that I've now been able to apply to do so many of the things that I need in daily life myself. And I've chronicled that entire journey on my Squarespace website since 2012 when all this started. On my blog, you can find articles about woodworking, blacksmithing and fabrication, gardening, animal husbandry, and so much more. Squarespace has been a fantastic resource for someone like me who is busy doing 1,000 different things all the time, who's also not super tech savvy, to be able to drag and drop all the information and the photos and everything else that I want to share with the world into a beautiful artist designed template and then share it with the world. If you're thinking about starting your own website, maybe you have a photo gallery that you want to share with potential clients, or you want to start an online store, check out Squarespace, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/AnnofAllTrades for a 10% discount. Now that we've got the woodworking shop back in business, there are a whole lot more woodworking projects to come, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Cheers!